our new sugar Erica B,
Mamas, and Pumpkin.
So today we are going to be trying out this boba we got from Walmart. I think it was like $5. Yeah, it looked fairly easy because there's only 3 steps. What do you think? It's gonna be easy or hard?
Medium.
What do you think? Easy or hard? You think it's gonna be medium difficulty? Well, this one is the passion fruit green tea. I will have it linked down below, just in case you guys want to try this out yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the kitchen and get to making this boba.
The intro so tall.
Okay, so first thing first, we need to prepare the boba. We are going to do the microwave option. So let's get to cracking.
You got feelings, you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Light on me, always leaving in the morning before I speak. What's love got to do with
Little boba pearls.
Okay, boba straw. Yes. They're boba straw.
3 boba straws.
Here you go. That's just enough.
And 3 passion fruit teas. I think this is my most exciting part, is the passion fruit.
There's 3 enough for all of us.
1,000 miles away, I'll be on the way. I'll be home late, don't wait up, I'll be on the plane. She said, I thought you would've changed, thought you would've stayed, thought you wouldn't come back to me, but now you're right here in my face.
I can see you got feelings, you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Light on me, always leaving in the morning before I speak. What's love got to do with it?
Love in this game, baby. Michael Phelps, John, what to say, same, baby. I don't post you on the ground, know the fans waiting. That's the problem, no. I know the fan crazy. Made my mind up as a teen, and you can't change it. Say I come up on these beats, get the damn paper. Only see twice a week, everything's changing. The blue messages you send me on red lately. Why I'm so complicated down this line? I'm just trying to find a way to find you, baby. You ain't gotta hide the way you cry for days. It's like my nights are crazy, cause I don't give these hoes no time of day no more. We ain't got no time to waste no more. We ain't got the time to fake no more. You ain't had to try to take my soul, trying to take control.
I can see you got feelings, you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Light on me, always leaving in the morning before I speak. What's love got to do with it? I can see you got feelings, you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Light on me, always leaving in the morning before I speak. What's love got to do with it? You got feelings, you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Light on me, always leaving in the morning before I speak. What's love got to do with it?
1,000 miles away, I'll be on the way. I'll be home late, don't wait up, I'll be on the plane. She said, I thought you would've changed, thought you would've stayed.
Okay, I got it now.
Don't drink it yet.
Okay.
Don't drink it yet. Don't drink it yet. Don't drink it. We need to get a thumbnail with the box.
What's with the milk?
The picture you see before the video play. Make it thumbnail. I'm gonna be on the porch light. Like a let me see an unsure face. That'll work. Let's go to the back. Alright, you guys.
So,
First impressions. Let's see. How easy were the instructions to follow, Pumpkin? You think they were very easy to follow?
yeah.
Okay, what about you?
Yes. I
think
thought it was gonna be not that hard, but I thought it was gonna be harder, but not hard. In the middle.
Okay, I thought the instructions were very straightforward, easy to follow. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
1, 10.
10.
I mean, it was kind of hard to do the instructions.
I got a boba stuck in there.
Drink it and eat it.
Okay, you ready? First impression. Let's try the the tea by itself, and then you do the boba. Oh, that's good. For me, it needs to be sweeter, but I'm gonna try to get some purple.
I didn't get any. I still didn't get any.
The inside is dry.
I don't like the boba, but I'm a very big fan of the tea.
Yeah.
Same.
Alright, you guys, so that's our thoughts and opinions on the boba kit we got from Walmart. Any other thoughts or sayings? No?
Well, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the comment button below. And
This is good for blowing bubbles.
yes,
Yeah. Close good bubbles.
it's very good. And I hope you guys would like to try it.
Yeah, let us know if you'd like to try it down below in the comment section. If the comments are on,
It's at Walmart.
Don't interrupt people by the way.
oh, sorry. Comment down below if you guys would be interested in trying this. They had a bunch of different flavors. I will be sure to have the pictures of them on the screen, as well as link down below in the description box and a pinned comment. If the comments are on, because there are minors in this video and YouTube strive to protect the minors, from what I saw, they be striving to protect minors and all that stuff. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
I wanted the purple one, but I didn't know that Mama had the orange one. I wanted the purple one. But this one was good anyway. Bye bye.
Okay, got to tell them bye.
Bye.
Toodles, bye. Hey bestie.
Hey bestie. Like this. Hey bestie.
Welcome back to the channel.
Channel.
Welcome if you are new. It's your girl, Erica B.
Lacey C.
You can just
And
say,
Kayla C.
you can say Pumpkin and Mom.
Hey,
Bestie,
bestie.
welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. It's your girl, Erica B.
Erica B. Little Mama and Pumpkin.
This is going for the bloopers. I'm doing bloopers on this video. Thumbnail with the box.
What's with them?
The picture you see before the video play. Make it thumbnail. I'm gonna be on the porch light. Like a let me see an unsure.